If we must rebuild, Jamaica can't rise pan corruption. Jamaica can't rise pan politics where divide we way. If we must rebuild, unity, justice and dignity have to lead the way. If we must rebuild, we have to open we eyes. We have to face the truth, we hide behind lies. We have to call out the wrong, protect the right. Lift up with people, bring them out of the night. If we must rebuild, the heart have to clean. Every community, every little housing scheme. If we must rebuild, no more silence, no more leaders we benefit from violence. If we must rebuild, stand up as one. Hold firm, Jamaica, the journey just begun. Cut out the wrong, bring in the right. No more container with gun in the night. If we must rebuild, rise and truth. Build back the nation, protect every youth. Together as a people we strong. Rebuild Jamaica, this how we righteous song. If we must rebuild, rise clean and bold. Dash away corruption, dash away the old. Stand firm Jamaica, carry the flame. Honor we ancestors, make proud we name. If we must rebuild, no more fight against we brother. No more chat talk we divide up forever. Politics can't help if it mash up the plan. Jamaica need unity, woman and man. If we must rebuild, cut out the thief in corruption, a poison nation bleeding. Help must reach those who really a suffer, not cause a color party or donor. If we must rebuild, conscience have to wait. Too much promise, politicians take and break. If we must rebuild, love have to lead. Give every youth a chance we succeed. Make we stand pan morality. Make we fix the system properly. All who block progress move one side. Jamaica build back with national pride. Hold up your head if you're tired of pain. Stand up if you want justice again. Truth have to walk, lies have to run. Jamaica's healing have to start with someone. If we must rebuild, stand up as one. Hold firm Jamaica, the journey just begun. Cut out the wrong, bring in the right. No more container with gun in the night. If we must rebuild, rise and truth. Build back the nation, protect every youth. Together as a people we strong. Rebuild Jamaica, this how we righteous song. If we must rebuild, rise clean and bold. Dash away corruption, dash away the old. Stand firm Jamaica, carry the flame. Honor we ancestors, make proud we name. If we must rebuild, if we must rebuild, distribution for fair. No more politics decide who get care. If we must rebuild, accountability tall. Tell we where the money there, check every call. If we must rebuild, justice for reign. Peace for return in a place full of pain. Hope for the youth, them well long time denied. Opportunity for reach nationwide. If we must rebuild, make the roads them safe. Ease the tax burden, ease the poor man's faith. If we must rebuild, schools have to rise. Books in a classroom, open eyes. If we must rebuild, the whole place shine. No more backdoor deal, no more dirty line. Truth have to guide every step where we take. Jamaica worth more than the check. Dignity, transparency, we cry for that. Humanity, bravery, we try for that. If we must rise, then the truth have to talk. Rebuild Jamaica, make righteousness walk. No more silence, no more fear. Lift up the voices where no one hear. Unity strong like mountain peak. Jamaica future is what we see. If we must rebuild, stand up as one. Hold firm Jamaica, the journey just begun. Cut out the wrong, bring in the right. No more container with gun in the night. If we must rebuild, rise and truth. Build back the nation, protect every youth. Together as a people we strong. Rebuild Jamaica, this how we righteous song. If we must rebuild, rise clean and bold. Dash away corruption, dash away the old. Stand firm Jamaica, carry the flame. Honor we ancestors, make proud we name. If we must rebuild, we have to rise clean. If we must rebuild, unity have to intervene. If we must rebuild, corruption done. Jamaica, the rising just begun. Hold firm, me people, the future a call. Rise clean, rise tall, rise together. Jamaica, rebuild once and for all.